right now. Tell me.
Hello.
Hi, may I speak with Darius?
Speaking.
Hi, Darius. How are you?
How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. How about yourself?
Who am I speaking with?
Okay, you just told me to call you now on text.
Yeah, what's your name?
Oh, my name is Rainbow.
Rainbow. What's your real name?
Wow.
Can't know your real name?
That is my real name. Thank you, though.
Real. Okay, I like it.
Excuse me?
I guess. Yeah, what's up? You're beautiful though.
What?
So you're beautiful. You look good.
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me there?
A little bit. What was I doing? What?
I said you're beautiful.
I know. Thank you, though.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so you like what you see?
Hmm?
You like what you see?
Well, of course I like what I see. I wouldn't call you if I did not.
Yeah, I like what I see too.
Well, you know, most people do, but thank you,
I
though.
wish I could see more though.
Do I want a drink of water?
No. I said I wish I could see more.
You want to see more of me?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes. I really do.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe we can meet up somewhere.
Yeah. How you going to look at it?
Do you know where the railroad tracks are down by the river?
Really?
Huh?
Nah.
Off of Mississippi? Where they find all those dead bodies at? Huh?
I said, what area
I
do
live
you
in
stay
South Memphis.
I used to have family.
Uh-huh.
I stay
But you
in
know, it's the railroad tracks down by the river off of Mississippi where they always find the dead bodies.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Maybe we can meet there then.
We can meet somewhere else.
I'm sorry?
I said, we can meet somewhere else.
Well, that's my favorite place.
It's your favorite place, what?
Well, it's just, I can clear my mind there and, I don't know, it's so much, it's a very calming place to be. You know what I mean? What? I didn't hear any noise.
I heard something.
What?
I heard something.
Well, I'm sorry, I didn't hear anything. I'm sorry.
It's probably you making a noise.
Why am I doing what?
I said, probably you making a noise.
Making what noise?
I don't know, some crazy man.
So tell me more about yourself. Tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm in school, I'm in college.
You're in college?
Yeah.
How old are you?
Take this.
19?
Nah.
20?
Yeah.
You're 20. What school do you go to? Oh. That's right up the street from the railroad tracks I was telling you about. Hmm?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Maybe we can meet there.
Meet me at the school.
Huh? at the railroad tracks.
I don't know exactly what the church is.
Oh.
That's what I'm
Well, I mean...
Where though?
Huh?
I said, where?
We can meet there. I can show you. I can come pick you up. Huh?
I said, well, we can't go to your house.
I live with my mom. Hmm? Well, you're in school. I'm not. I have no excuse for living with my mom.
Yeah.
Huh?
I said, you need to get along.
Oh, do you think that we're having sex or something?
No.
Oh, well, what kind of comment was that?
Well,
We need to get a room. We can kick it on the railroad tracks.
Miss Diana.
Get on the railroad train.
Miss Diana,
Yes.
your coffin is ready.
What?
Look, I've asked you nicely before. Don't talk while I'm on the phone, okay?
Okay, we'll prepare it for you tonight.
Don't you just go on. I'll be on in there. Hello?
Who was that?
Hmm?
Who was that?
Oh, that's the maid. Yeah.
I heard her.
Huh?
I heard her.
You heard her what?
I heard her talking.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad you can hear.
Miss Diana, one more thing.
Yes.
Will you be bringing a guest tonight?
I'm working on that right now. Go somewhere. Get off the phone.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So,
tell me about yourself.
hmm?
Tell me about yourself.
Well, not much to tell. I just...
How old are you?
Excuse me?
How old are you?
A lady never tells.
A lady never tells.
Yes. Why would you know you're not so Zach's a woman her age?
Tell me.
Hmm?
Tell me.
Tell you what? Well, I don't want to tell you.
You sure you want to keep me guessing?
Huh?
You want to keep me guessing?
Well, there's not much to guess, darling.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I ate on the thing. What is that thing we're on? Tagged?
Yeah, tagged.
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
Hmm? Hello?
I know how old you are.
Hmm?
I know how old you are now.
How old is I?
Yeah, I already know.
Oh, okay. If you know how old I am, that's great.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Can you send me some pictures of you?
I can. How am I supposed to send them to you?
To my phone?
To your phone?
Yeah.
Count Diana.
Yes, ma'am.
I have
Honey,
finished boiling the brains.
Honey, yes, ma'am.
I have finished boiling the brains. What would you like for me to prepare next?
Well,
we have the heart. Did you want that as well?
Let's ask you nicely when I'm on the telephone not to say those types of things. You know that's not true.
Master, I'm so sorry.
If you would like to continue to have your job, I suggest you stop.
I'm sorry, Master. I will prepare the heart.
You already know the drill. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. She's so silly.
Yeah.
Talk to me, darling.
So what you like to do?
I'd like to meet you down on the train tracks.
Meet me on the tracks.
Huh?
Meet me on the tracks.
Excuse me?
Meet me on the train tracks.
Yeah. You want to go ahead and meet down there?
Okay. And
I can come and pick you up. Yeah. I can come and pick you up.
where we're gonna go?
To the track.
What's so special about the tracks?
Where I do everything. Huh? Relax and lay back and look up into the sky. You know?
How often you do that?
Well, I do that often. What kind of question is that?
I don't know. It's a good question.
Why would you ask me such a question? Are you trying to say something?
Say something like what?
Huh?
Say something like what?
What do you mean? You know what? What is the problem?
What's sexy up?
What's the problem?
What's the problem, baby?
Yes, what's the problem?
There's not a problem, baby.
Why would you think, what do I like doing down there? I like to go down there and relax.
Yeah. Can you send me some pictures?
I've got to go. My alarm is going off.
Send me some pictures of you.
I gotta go down to the railroad. Excuse me. I've gotta go.
Yeah.
What's your name again? I'm sorry? Tell me your name again.
D.
D? I've got a secret to tell you.
Tell my secret.
I have to put a spell on you now. Understand? D. Hello, do you understand? You don't remember anything about this phone call. Do you hear me?